will be demonstrating the eye. I want to be a doctor when I grow up, so I want you to be a doctor too, if you want to. The eye helps you see everywhere. Skelly over here, the eye is right here. Sadly, does not have an eye. This white part right here, is the outer part, is called the sclera. The sclera protects the eye from getting hurt or damaged. This dark brown piece that I made is called the iris. Your iris may become in different colors like green, blue, and gray. In between the iris, this little dark spot right here is called the pupil. The pupil lets the light in. The cornea, this arch-like shape right here, it protects the iris and the pupil from getting hurt. The pupil lets the light into the lens that reflects the light over into this orange shape called the retina. The retina then takes the light, or reflects the light, or impulses the light. That's the fancy grown-up word. Impulses the light into this green thing. It's kind of like a stem because it holds it all together, kind of. So that part is called the optic nerve. That optic nerve sends the light into the brain, which, if you've seen my other videos, you would know what lobe and what parts of the brain. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you like, and make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button.